So that looks like another raptor. We're a few hundred feet away from where we saw the last one. Different park, different trail. Could be the same kind. Not as familiar with that underbody. Or I usually just don't get this close. That could just be a red-tailed hawk. And he seemed to have a mate here. And they seem to have opinions about something. What do you have opinions about, honey? There's the other one. So yeah, they're just hopping around, having a good time. Wish I knew more about the behavior, what it's about. And from here, I can't tell whether that's a Cooper's hawk or a red-tailed hawk or another raptor. Also, they have really good camouflage. They're a predatory bird. They don't need it quite as much as other birds do, but they have good camouflage, which they kind of undo by loudly squawking.